Hey everyone, we're excited to be at Psychopath Labs today in Cambridge, Ontario to install our very first Falcon Atlas printer here in Canada. This is RB Digital's new DTF system, which comes equipped with a printer, shaker, and fume extractor. It's available in multiple different orientations from a 3-head, 4-head, or 6-head printer. The Falcon Atlas can be tailored to match your shop's production needs and workflow. The Falcon Atlas comes in 2 different color options. You can go with a 5-color system, which is traditional in the industry, CMYK plus white, or you can go with the expanded color gamut if you're really trying to hit those punch colors. That would entail CMYK, red, orange, green, blue, and white. Based on the color sequence that you choose will affect the print speed. So the 3-head printer with the expanded color gamut will achieve speeds of roughly 75 square feet per hour. If you go with the 4-head printer, which is the CMYK option, double, that will achieve print speeds of 150 square feet per hour. Every Falcon printer will come pre-installed with our NeoStampa RIP. We will ensure from RB Digital that all of our profiles will be set up, ready to go, that are perfectly dialed in with our printer, ink, film, and powder. The Falcon Atlas also features several new upgrades on this model versus its predecessors. One of them is the new dual display system that is touchscreen. The top one generally will focus on functionality of the machine, and the bottom one will mostly focus on the ink volume display. We also have a new program status lighting for your production run so that from a distance you could see how much time roughly is left on your print. As most of you know who are already in the DTF industry, all white ink will come with titanium dioxide, and it's very important to make sure that it's agitated properly so you get white vibrancy and don't get any buildup in your print heads. Most people will just grab their bottle, shake it, and pour it in. Through extensive testing, we have seen that that is not the correct way to agitate the ink. The proper way to do it is to put the ink on a slow rotator that will slowly agitate the ink to make sure that it's at the perfect consistency needed for printing. Every printer will come equipped with the industry standard Epson i3200 printhead. These printheads are known to print fast, last, and be durable. Another huge upgrade are our 2 anti-static ionizer bars that will travel with the printhead. The purpose of this is to reduce static. If you get static, which is commonly seen in the industry, the film will actually stick to the bed and then cause a head crash. Having this upgrade will drastically reduce that from ever happening. Another really cool feature is our LED light bar. Now, it's extremely important to make sure that your humidity is properly controlled in your environment. If it drops too low, your nozzles will drop out and you can get what's referred to as banding. What this bar allows you to do is easily see if your printer is banding. The last thing you want is to print meters and meters only to find that they all need to be reprinted. Next, I want to talk about our new Falcon Avalanche 24 vacuum shaker. What's really unique about this shaker versus everything else in the industry is that this system will come with a vacuum recirculation system using air knives to bring your powder back up to the top. Unlike traditional DTF shakers, the powder generally would fall down to the bottom. You'd have to pull out a tray and reload it. This means less manual labor for you guys and less contaminants in your powder. Some other really unique features that we've added into this is a preheat table, which allows you to print at faster speeds, a vacuum section throughout the belt to hold the film in place with a very sturdy take-up reel. And finally, we're really proud to show our new, extremely intuitive touchscreen display. This shaker, based on your decision of color gamut and speed, is also available in a longer model if you decide to go with the 6-head printer with the triple CMYK option. Another really cool safety feature that has been added to the Falcon Avalanche DTF Shaker is a Teflon mesh screen that is situated right below the heating lamps. The purpose of this is to prevent any fires that may occur in the event that the DTF film gets caught and shoved into the bulbs. We're excited to introduce our new Falcon Vortex DTF fume extraction system. This system comes equipped with some really cool functions to keep your environment in a state that's acceptable for your employees while also keeping your maintenance costs as low as possible. This unit comes equipped with an industrial charcoal and HEPA filter, which will ensure that your fumes are properly removed from the air to ensure the air quality is where it needs to be. It connects directly to our Falcon Avalanche powder shaker and can also be exhausted by choice if you want outside. What's also really unique about this system, which is a game changer, is the fact that it has an oil release valve here. Essentially what happens is the glycol that's built up during the production will pool here at the bottom, which is then released once a week into a container to be disposed. The major advantage of doing that is that the glycol never makes its way into filters. Those features combined make the Falcon Vortex the perfect fume extraction system for your facility. Whether it's one of our Falcon systems or any other DTF solution on the market, it will ensure that it will do its job, keep your air quality where it needs to be, and keep everyone safe and happy. Another thing you'll notice is that the Atlas is built like a tank. With just under 1,000 pounds in weight, it's specifically designed that way to be able to reduce movement when printing at high speeds. It's also equipped with an emergency stop. It'll immediately shut down the power to the entire system. Now that Steven has completed the installation and training, he's now going to go ahead and do our first test print. Now that we have our beautifully printed transfer straight from our Atlas, we're ready to apply it to the t-shirt. And there you have it, our freshly printed transfer applied directly to our garment with beautiful, vibrant colors thanks to the expanded color gamut for a price costing you less than 80 cents Canadian. And that concludes our Falcon Atlas debut at Psychopath Labs. I want to thank Subi for your hospitality. Sure, we can't wait to see what you have in store for us. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll all see you soon.